perfume around, enticing the bird and the bee. As I lie at full length on the fern-covered ground, in the shade of a courage tree, and high overhead I can hear the sweet strains of a butcher bird whistling his tune. For spring in her glory is back once again to the banks of the reedy lagoon. I've carried me swag now for many a mile. Me boots are all worn at the toes, and I'm dressing this season in a far different style to that of last season, God knows. My cooking utensils, I'm sorry to say, consist of a fork and a spoon, and there's dry beef and thyme in a battered jack shade by the banks of the reedy lagoon. I remember young Frankie, oh couldn't he ride, and Willie, that kind-hearted boy, and Jimmy, who's recently taken a bride and intends his young life to enjoy, and Big Mac, the Scotsman, I once heard him say he'd wrestled the famous Muldoon. But they're all far away, and I'm lonesome today by the banks of the reedy lagoon. Times caress, the one with the sad dreamy eyes. She nestles her head now on another man's breast, and he tells her the very same lies. She swore she would love me where'er I might fare. Now sad is my bed 'neath the moon, but it's little that I care, for I couldn't keep square by the banks of the reedy lagoon.